You can say in the court of law, not even Nigerian judge have the capacity, you understand me, to try him because he is widely knowledge, intellectual, educated, more than Nigerian judges. Are you getting it? More than the Federal Republic of Nigerian judges. You get it? So they don't know judge in Nigeria have what that man have. None of them is as educated as him. None of them is as intellectual as him. None of them is as wise or being highly wisdom as he is. Nobody in Nigeria to compare Mazen nnamdikanu. Nobody. Starting from the presidency down to the list in Nigeria. Nobody. Nobody. I repeat, nobody have the charisma of Mazen nnamdikanu. Are you getting it? So him walking out the whole Africa will rejoice because the light has come to stay. And the light is coming to stand, to draw the attention of the Europeans, to give Africa their due respect, which they have lost for so many years ago. For long ago, that respect the African lost is coming out to be restored. This is Evangelist Benjamin Johnson Sinachi, the only evangelist of Biafra that speaks nothing but the truth and ready to end by it because I love speaking the truth all the time. Listen and listen good. Yeah, Bianca releasing, let's say, leaking the secret date of Mazen nnamdikanu release to Nigerians or to the public. It's not a news to me because, do you know why I say so? Because the young man have never committed any offense that's supposed to keep him up to this very moment. Are you getting it? The Nigeria, they are just, because it's an Igbo man, so they decided to just punish him unlawfully, going against his human civil rights. But because, the hatred they have for the young man, and because of what the young man stand to defend, which they don't want to hear. But I am happy that what is going on these days, the truth is actually coming out. And the truth must be restored and must be obeyed and must be honored, whether Nigeria like it or not. And I give kudos to Simon Ekpa. You know why I'm giving kudos to Simon Ekpa? I give kudos because if not the Simon Ekpa 1,000 wisdom which he prayed to God and God gave to him, and he used it today in Finland. Even as we are talking now, they are still in Finland. You see so many personalities. You see so many people that matters in Finland. Convention for restoration of Biafra declaration that was declared in 1967 by Ojukwu. Now, because of this convention, the fear, I believe that, the fear now have gripped Nigeria because they never expected it like this and they never wanted it. But now they are seeing it. They are not just seeing it in the angle they were seeing it before. They are seeing it that even the president, some representative from the House of Rep in United States of America, they are present there. Even the governor of Eritrea even had a speech, and different countries. Even Macron, the French, Michael Macron, or so, am I right? Yeah, I'm starting to be corrected anyway. Michael Macron, the French president, even said that he has no hand in anything to do with the Biafra issue, and Simon Ekpa now that put more fears to Nigerian government. And now they are now discussing on how to release Mazen nnamdikanu, probably December 22. Yes, because what Simon Ekpa has done to the world is something that they never expected. And now, as at 29, being Friday of last month, November 29, so many, both men, women, young and the old, of the Biafrans, the Nigerian government kidnapped and arrested and put in their dungeon, unknown to we, the Biafrans and the people of the land that have the right to fight for their freedom, that we are fighting, that kidnapped them. Today they have released them. Are you getting it? They have freed them because they are looking for all means to curb the movement, the length at which Simon Ekpa is going. And let me tell you, the releasing of Mazen nnamdikanu is not as a result that Nigeria want to free him. They want to free him because they are scared of Simon Ekpa next step. So, and the reason Mazen nnamdikanu to them now is a stepping stone by using, they believe that when Mazen nnamdikanu speaks, that Simon Ekpa will hear. So it will not escalate beyond the level they can intend to. Are you getting it? You see the reason why they want to free Mazen nnamdikanu. Not that it's from their hearts. It's not in the heart of Nigeria to free Mazen nnamdikanu, because if it's from their heart, Mazen nnamdikanu was supposed to be outside. Look at somebody like Sunday Igbo. Do you know that Sunday Igbo embraced the occasion in Finland? He embraced the occasion in Finland. I was shocked and I was surprised. Despite the fact that he's not an Igbo man. You get it? But shockingly to me, look at him there, walking freely. What has Mazen nnamdikanu done to Nigeria? They don't want to free him. Is it not the same thing? The same agitation, the same fighting for freedom. Someone like Igbo is free. Someone like Mazen nnamdikanu detained. Now, glory be to God. They want to free him. Good and fine. Good and fine. But there's something I want them to understand. Nigerians to understand. Nigeria, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Is it now you wake up from your sleep? You have failed. You will release Mazen nnamdikanu because that is his conjugal right for him to have his freedom, because he offended no man. He's fighting for his right. Are you getting it? He stand on the truth and he's fighting for his right. Yes, free Mazen nnamdikanu will not stop Biafra agitation. Rather, it continues. Because you people believe by kidnapping him will stop it. But now you are seeing it in another angle, even far beyond your Nigerian dreams concerning that. And for your information, coming next year, you don't know what is in the heart of Simon Ekpa. That's why they want to release Mazen nnamdikanu. You get it now. They don't know the next step Simon Ekpa may come up with. That's why they are scared of Simon Ekpa. And they are very, very scared. You understand me? So let's release this man. After all, we are holding him captive, unlawfully. So let's free him. If he can talk to Simon Ekpa, because he remains the only person that can speak, we the Biafrans will listen to him. We the Biafrans will hear what he's saying. We the Biafrans will obey him, including Simon Ekpa. You see why they want to free him? Not that they intend to, but they want, because of the fear of what comes next. Remember, Donald Trump is coming up next year, January to be precise, into the office. You know, and somebody like that, you know, Donald Trump is Mr. Knows Nonsense. So now all these things are the things that is putting fear in Nigeria. You understand me? That makes them, okay, let us free these people. After all, we hold them unlawfully.
But some say that Bianca, that although she has vowed to make sure that Tinubu release nnamdikanu.
Yes.
But is it that but some people are saying that if it doesn't come to fruition that Tinubu doesn't want to see release nnamdikanu, do you see her resigning?
For now, I don't know. I am not Bianca. Neither am I in her mind. But let me tell you, for your information, first and foremost, the purpose by which she was given that appointment, she did not achieve it. For your information, I'm speaking from the right source. She didn't actually get it. She didn't actually give it to Nigeria. How do I mean? She was given that appointment so that she can lobby with Simon Ekpa and stop this convention. But instead of her doing that, she backed out while Simon Ekpa succeeded in what he planned to do. That even today, both Peace Square, everybody all over the world, you know, in fact, both to the former Pentagon officer in USA, you know, in Oslo, Norway, even France, Turkey, that is from Turkey, you know, from Russia. In fact, every corner filled up, everywhere. People came from different countries to embrace the occasion. So because of this, so now, Bianca, now, is now telling you, I will do this. If she resign after being maybe Nigeria disappointing, she may choose to resign because, for your information, before the appointment, she has been part of the people pressing buttons for the release of nnamdikanu because the spirit of her husband is living inside her. Are you getting it? She knows, and she heard about the Biafran this thing, and her husband have explained to her before leaving the departing from this earth. Her husband have explained. She is aware of everything. Nothing is hidden before her. No secret before her. She has every details, document concerning the regard to this, and that is why if Nigeria at the end of the day disappoint her, so I don't know because I am not Bianca. She's in this position to answer that, to know what to do, whether to resign or to continue.
Okay, but do you not think that December 22 as the alleged purported date for Nnamdi Kanu release, do you think that this will bring a massive joy to the people of Nigeria and most importantly people of the South?
It will bring joy.
Africa at large.
It will bring joy, not just only to Nigeria, because the release of him will not bring only joy to Nigeria. Why I said to Nigeria is this: they are not releasing him because they intend to. They are releasing him based on some conditions or the issues they have met. Are you getting it? They are seeing that is flying now, moving, which they are scared of. The next by next year, what may come. They may not really have joy on their side as 100%, but they will have joy. There will be joy in the southeast because our leader, being our president, like I said before, our president. He stands as a president while Simon Ekpa is the governor. Are you getting it? So the president is returning home. Okay, there will be a serious joy in southeast, the Biafra land. Two, there will be joy in Africa at large. How do I mean? The truthful person, another Nelson Mandela, is having his freedom. Are you getting it? Another man with a wonderful vision is having his freedom. The sunlight which darkness of Nigeria intend to cover have superseded Nigeria, is coming freely. Are you getting it? So the knowledge, the man that is that is knowledgeable than Nigeria as a whole is coming out. Why did I say so? You can say in the court of law, not even Nigerian judge have the capacity, you understand me, to try him because he is widely knowledge, intellectual, educated, more than Nigerian judges. Are you getting it? More than the Federal Republic of Nigerian judges. You get it? So they don't know judge in Nigeria have what that man have. None of them is as educated as him. None of them is as intellectual as him. None of them is as wise or being highly wisdom as he is. Nobody in Nigeria to compare Mazen Nnamdikanu. Nobody. Starting from the presidency down to the list in Nigeria. Nobody. Nobody. I repeat, nobody have the charisma of Mazen Nnamdikanu. Are you getting it? So him walking out the whole Africa will rejoice because the light has come to stay. And the light is coming to stand, to draw the attention of the Europeans, to give Africa their due respect, which they have lost for so many years ago. For long ago, that respect the African lost is coming out to be restored. To be restored.
Are you not looking at it from the aspect of the economy?
In
the southeast?
The economy, there is something you don't understand. The southeast have not seen nor suffered what they have suffered during the war and after the war, civil war. Are you getting it? I don't think there is any experience new to the southeastern people now, because after the war that started in 1967 that ended up in 1970, all the Biafrans, the surviving ones, all of them have millions, trillions, billions in account. But Federal Republic of Nigeria collided with the UK, the British. They siphoned that our father's money. Are you getting it? They siphoned our daddy's money, our father's money, our parents' money, and they only ended up in giving them ordinary 20 pounds. You get it? But with that 20 pounds, they explode to where they are today after some few years, which nobody, no tribe in this country have ever had such experience. So I don't see this thing of how many days that you say is affecting them. Rather, it will give a plus. I still stand on my word. I never go back, and I still stand with every 100% confidence. Just give us Biafra. Watch Biafra in the next 10, 20 years. You can never, and you will never travel to UK. You will never travel to America. You can never struggle to Canada any longer, because Biafra will give you that which you are looking in Sokoto, because it's here in Sokoto.
But so what's your take as regards with we heard the news yesterday that Finland rejects bail for Simon Ekpa. What's your reaction towards that? We saw the news it's the internet yesterday, that or day for yesterday rather, that Ekpa bail was rejected.
Excuse me. First and foremost, before you begin flying news, get the concrete news.
So what's the concrete news?
The concrete news here is Ekpa was never been arrested, for your information. 2, Ekpa have not appeared based on Finland constitution. Are you getting it? Ekpa is freely in his house. But the only thing is this: the condition was given to him, and that was why he aired everyone before that. He must stay away for that 2 weeks. He must be there, out, not because you didn't see him on social media as usual means that he's in prison. No, no, no. He has his freedom, but he must not appear socially. You understand me? Because according to their law, the problem Nigerians have is the problem of uneducated, unenlightened. Are you getting it? Unenlightened. Wrong information. You call my phone, it switch off. You say, I don't have phone. No, it doesn't mean that I don't have phone. It's just that maybe NEPA or something. I didn't see opportunity to charge my phone. Doesn't mean that I don't have phone. When you call me, it was switch off. You get it now? So that is what happened. For now, according to the constitution and according to what you are allegedly being accused of, you understand? So the 2 weeks you must stay off for us to do our thorough investigation. And let me tell you, as you think he stayed off, didn't you see what happened? Starting from the first day up to today being Sunday. Are you getting it? Does it stop anything? And there are still the chief of staff, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, are still working, following the step, interacting, discussing with the Uche, and the rest. You understand? Then still discuss with him. They go to him. They ask everybody, okay, see, the foundation has been laid. The procedures, you follow this way, follow this way. The structure is there. That's what they are following. I don't know why Nigerians always, maybe, no, I'm not surprised, because Simon Ekpa is popular. There's no country you go now and mention Simon Ekpa now, you will not know him. You get it? So everybody on social media are just, because they know that he's a trending man now. He's the man in vogue. You understand? So all sort of news are coming up. But to take this message, that is the concrete message from the Biafran evangelists. Always give you the feedback, always give you the concrete truth. Take it and do more findings. And I know whether you believe it now or not, at the end of the day, you find out the truth. Then you will know whether evangelist is speaking the truth or evangelist is telling lies. Then now you will know between this channel and other channels where the truth can come. You see why I used to say something? Sometimes when things are happening, you will not really know why it's happening. People are shouting, they arrest Simon Ekpa, they put him in prison, they kidnap him, they do this, they do that. You don't know why he stay away. Jesus Onokpasa intended with a coalition and combination of Nigerian Republic and the Eastern governors collide together to assassinate Simon Ekpa in Finland. You know, and I am happy today the plans of the APC against Simon Ekpa has finally failed because of that December 2nd. They planned and plotted it. Look at the statement of that man. He said they have been planning it for a very long time and he wish he can lay his hand. Thank God, God did not give him an opportunity to lay hand on an innocent man. Somebody that is fighting and standing for his right. Now, you intend to assassinate him. You know, that was their intention against nnamdikanu. You don't know? That was their intention, to assassinate nnamdikanu. Thank God he escaped. You know, he escaped. You know, Maya, he escaped from his house. He escaped. So finally, he got to a stage whereby they kidnapped him and they could not be able to fulfill their mission because the whole world now eyes is on them now. Do you see why they kept him there? Now, Simon can pick it up. Do you understand? Then, Jesus Onokpasa, the APC, and other governors and Nigeria collide together to assassinate this one in Finland because this one, they don't have time to reach Africa so that they can carry out their evil activities as usual. So they now send delegates, including Onokpasa, based on what he's saying, to assassinate Simon Ekpa, to embrace the occasion as a kind of people that are coming, you know, how do I put it? The guests, as a guest to embrace the occasion. So we now use the opportunity to shut Simon Ekpa, just like the same way they intend to assassinate Donald Trump 3 good times during his campaign. You remember, that was what exactly they intend to do. But glory be to God. You see why I used to say something? Sometimes when things are happening, you will not really know why it's happening. People are shouting, they arrest Simon Ekpa, they put him in prison, they kidnap him, they do this, they do that. You don't know why he stay away because they have already alleged to assassinate him. APC. 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 Allegedly, they intend to assassinate. Look at that step. As the young man could not reach Africa, yet they go as far as Finland, appearing as one of the guests to embrace a good occasion like this. But in another motive, to assassinate Simon Ekpa. Thank God.
But the man is saying why we wanted to, they are planning that the man was saying that because Ekpa too was killing people in the southeast, killing his own Igbos, you know, that it will not be bad because he knows the law for him to be shot.
Now listen to me. Killing Igbos. Did you ever see Simon Ekpa with a gun? Have you ever seen Simon Ekpa in Africa? Have you ever seen Simon Ekpa in Nigeria, not to talk more of the southeast? The people we have seen, and we have seen them, we have caught them with their uniforms, are Nigerian military. They are the one that are killing the Igbos. I want to ask the people that set Osumenyi on fire. Is this Simon Ekpa? I'm asking, is this Simon Ekpa? The people as of yesterday or day before yesterday, if you see, I heard that a young man died with a bomb. Whose bomb? Nigerian bomb. The military. I got it. Is this Simon Ekpa that threw the bomb that killed that young boy? No, I'm asking. Even now, Simon Ekpa is still in detention, as you people said. You people say so. You understand me? Is it the same Simon Ekpa that is in detention in Finland that is still throwing bomb again? No, let me know. Please, somebody should correct me. Somebody should answer this question. Those road block, is it Simon Ekpa that is mounting it? Are you not seeing Nigerian uniform there? Military. And Nigerian politicians, like I said it before, they are the one carrying out all these evil activities in the southeast. And are the one putting it at the same time in the head of Simon Ekpa. Because the young man is standing on the truth. Now, if you remember, during the time of nnamdikanu, Nigerian politicians said a lot of things, including Ohaneze ndị Igbo, Ohaneze ndị Ọjọọ. They said a lot. You are fighting for freedom, you are in this, you are in that place, you are this, that. They said a lot. But at the end of the day, they kidnapped nnamdikanu, and he remained in their custody, and he defeated Nigeria in Nigerian law. Are you getting? Yet, you people are not yet convinced, and the people are still killing. Before they said it was nnamdikanu. Is their problem. Now it's no longer nnamdikanu. It is now Simon Ekpa in Finland, because the young man wants to restore the declaration of what is already on the ground. Tomorrow is the last day of the program. Then you intend to assassinate him, accusing him again. Now it's no longer nnamdikanu. You have shifted it now to Simon Ekpa. Are you not seeing Nigeria as a country full of confusion, full of running out of ideology, full of losing some mentality, understanding, and reasoning? Nigeria have lost it. Let them accept it. Let them admit they have lost it. They have lost it. They have lost the Igbos. They have lost their powerhouse. They have lost their economical engine room. They have lost everything, their strength. Are you getting it? So let them admit it with faith. Let them stop, jambolizing themselves here and there. And for their information, glory be to God. I said, and I will repeat again, you will not kill Simon Ekpa, and you can never succeed. In America, they tried it, and they did not succeed. You will not succeed over Simon Ekpa.